the minister is saying.
Okay.
So the minister no know part change and is ene. Who I will say Kotoko has your top products ton ye bo Saturday Sunday no. Ebedru ono Chelsea abo Fiifi man for that analysis. Ebedru ono Nhyira FM edit another analysis at ono Chelsea match. Ebedru ono YouTube for me analysis on Chelsea, Barcelona, Madrid, all of those people. Why is it that these content creators are interested in creating content of Star leagues, no, but not your league?
I'm for person consuming.
Exactly. Because at the end of the day, me ton a day. Every media house is a media marketing company. Or your content here the ton a day, no surround pa Monday omo pomunti. Ah, on Facebook, on YouTube, omo the actual playback. Radio soon advert here cost. It can go as long as an hour. Because what we used to buy electricity, then I better data. Which me, if you inquire, I pay 770s for Starlink. We are saying just 770 FMS. Starlink each month. My phone and buy. So as a creator, semi create story around
Chelsea na say
I'll get my money.
I'll do it.
Why would I waste my time? If the Ghana Premier League, when the Black Stars come to Ghana, Chelsea has match quickly we switch to being Black Stars. Because at that point, the Black Stars is the consumption. And that is where people want to come and consume. Essentially, it's about marketing competitiveness. Oh, marketing. Which the space is big. But the same companies na omuma ene unisa Manchester United must sign a contract with Betway. Meaning Unima. Betway has gone to sign contract with Manchester United. But Ubekum Krano, meaning Ghana for UK, they are not Oya code more, they are unable to access Betway or abroad. In Ghana, they try more, but they take the money from here, they go to Manchester United. Why have they not sponsored Asante Kotoko or Accra Sefuk? Almost only a football club, Nibia. And now, me person me catch you say, for me, it's a marketing problem. A marketing problem. Rich, me, I have a problem with the marketing strategy of the GFA. Marketing is not just about names. Marketing is about consistent effort and then gradual growth.
You were starting league fourth year. No promo, nothing.
Yes.
Billboard.
Yes. By now, Sanyo should have been like the basic things. I have started a season this year. It's as simple as that. And then, okay, say this is our home. Yesterday is our own. Ghana Premier League is back again. Yeah, the other woman. I could be a bit here to go across the country. They can sing it. Marketing. And it is annual. Oba Obeyo, Oba JMA, marketing. Marketing. According to NNC, they are all separate. Nasi is called President Mama Hono. I know catch any say. And I say, no, I bet that Luma. One of them, or Bok Okufor. No, say, time no, 2016 or one of those campaigns. No, MPP, no. Ne nephew be banoho. Cracketwa. So, no, MPP in DC. Your mama in DC. Boba wrote to MPP, no.
Okay.
Say, and you're not marketing. Cracketwa 6 years, 7 years, no. A run it. Which I'm giving a marketing clinic this morning, no. You're marketing your manama. A cracketwa on you, no, too. A right team. And then we to JMA, separate, on to one another, go for the one to man, MP marketing. So, in all of these things, we need to be innovative with our marketing. We need to be intentional with our marketing. Jaju the enya ekre emba power me kra me kai me watch mo da kra ketwa sa time ye na him dua mo papa gamer na me matese na India so I was wondering on that sports stadium I wanted to see how Nana India could play at I don't know if you or was no Bokoto yes could play at without weight. We go and see because of the marketing of those brands. Which it is important for us to now begin proper marketing. From the ministry, the onus lies on them. Anytime I make a choice, I would never blame the FA when I've not blamed the ministry. Say, problem bar, I will blame both of them together. Rich, Minister General Okasa, do you know what he should have done? He should have told them, say, okay, and I can't ban also 1 million, where my 3 million. Yes, so the policy direction and the abane say, you pese league ni. Motiana mosi o, moya kotoko, moya house, moya one ni. Now you are competing with TikTokers. You are competing with whatever. Into from the government point of view, you pese Ghana league ne. What we want to do is that we have brought in a policy that before 1 million a day man was claps, 25% is for marketing. Into before so business yes can you bring us your marketing plan. Okay, may your billboard say Udru Joshua Ubu say board waga that picture boss go kuma pima pimbeba ebia wudu adum ebia wudu yeah. Okay, we are musician do Kumasi ebia ne yesi asaka boys net so Kumasi and ase kwaku smoke and hwan omu twanum ama kotoko and only omu nyeska omu so asante for it omu ye for kotoko they started your pushy. Okay, we are ye ba ko hu Nhyira FM for yentimi ntua advertisement ni airtime say any other companies ebetua no but almost omu ye stakeholders omu ma 50% discount ye pese eduru onu ma ye bought kotoko highlights every 3 days be anase bisa marketing.
Mekai Herbert at times Sidney Thompson.
Yes.
Mo bro for just hanen no.
Yeah.
Se kotoko ba Africa na ye de nyumni tumwa
marketing.
What is said dean over cost stadium
marketing.
Yes. Mekai
marketing. Which me I've worked by the grace of God 6 years, no about 7 years in pharmaceutical marketing. From MSN, Shalina, Ad Pharma, Tobinco. I've traveled across the length and breadth of this country. So the only it's people are 12 na me namdoma me ko go no krum to sell medication because any drone na wo say any drone papa no. And this is not even herbal. Herbal is on radio. This one you go straight to the doctors that prescribe the medication. We call it pharmaceutical and medical representatives. You do a presentation why the molecule in your medicine is superior to that other medicine on the market. Which you have to come on the doctors. Or maybe a Ghana Cardiologist Society. When you go to Dr. Lambert's money at the other, when the Ghana Cardio Society comes in, I have pictures on Facebook. Who's a big cardiologist, Dr. Lambert? I've told you the story of how I met Dr. Kofi. I went to Living Waters to go and do my business as a pharmaceutical rep. I don't go say, then you want to teach from our analysis now. I'm saying, dog, we can be.
No, Drew.
Yes, you tell them why the molecule in the what you are selling is important. What's your drone ARB and they tell me certain the woman? Why is that they tell me certain better than the other ARBs on the market? It's important to market, and marketing has to be aggressive. It has to be continuous. And then any quality, but we need to start creating the stars ourselves. Yeah. We need to put them on billboards. Tell me the story of Richard Boardwagadas. Boardwagadas now has the phone on better kotoko phone po say oh okoye no wasa go fa sebi player when yabaro. Kotoko can tell a story of renaissance. Hey, Boardwagadas no your captain or the club means no samba back. If for Domaf Diana for fa Brekumini player, what's his name? Ankuyi or Sanko. Amankura has gone to. What is the story of Amankura? Why is Amankura the brokening? I didn't say Amankura.
I'm trying to Bruno Messi.
Yeah, I didn't say Amankura the Bruno King, the Bruno Messi. Story around him. Put Amankura on the billboard in Ediana. Rich, so Udru Doma Senior High School. And in an Ajiman Bedu Park, just about 5 minutes.
Okay.
I've slept in a guest house close to that place before. So, Udru Onuma, why is it that when people who are the knack of marketing went there, they're able to get the students to come there to come and watch? See, you can't say, oh, you're training in your big players, you're training in your correct stadium, you're training in your correct park. See, you wink a crack, I was a bit maybe no. Vili players, the bomb Charlie Park, you ain't even trap player also. towards a woo player. Near flying about Kumasi and say now Boka also can miss or invest in my stadium.
Okay.
Who was on mobile man? I'm say Charlie, I didn't orient me now. I say it be a big company because multimedia is a private marketing company. No, it's about making revenue.
Right.
You don't expect multimedia to come and use 2 hours of airtime. Now only the salary of riches we don't go. So come on for zero now. Now multimedia can in album or say okay.
Me pesco baby.
No, but say still Sigano. Now 12,000 in this kake 12.
It's a wow.
12,000. And only 12,000 no ana. 10 and 11.5.
Fiifi friend Martin in can insurance 4.5. Say command the message be abana. Men ko Christmas kalala